I'm over here at the brand new Vanderpump Hotel.
Las Vegas, local vlog in my life in the heat. Watch the adventures through my eyes on the concrete street. Peep the optics, no mirage in the valley of sin. Beyond the neon, where the working class grind begins. Not the strip tricks, nah, I'm the pulse of the block. Clocking the heat while the tourists are watching the clock. My lens is a weapon, exposing the cracks in the gold. A story the brochures in the slot machines never told. From the east side flats to the north town hustles, to the north town hustle. Living for the soul, not just the muscle and the bustle. I'm a local word up, got the desert in my veins. Navigating through the heat and the citywide pains. I'm just a Las Vegas, local vlog in my life in the heat. Watch the adventures through my eyes on the concrete street. Yeah, it's that Vegas soul, no facade in the frame, just a resident legend making his own lane.
Pretty modern, cool door. When you first walk in, the first thing that catches my eye is this vintage picture of Lisa Vanderpump on the wall. Modern decor. Has two big queen beds. We did sleep in both these beds. As you could tell, they're really high up, so it was actually kind of hard for my mom to get into bed because of her bad knee and her bad foot. So that's kind of the downfall staying here if you have disabilities, just a heads up there. And then you're gonna come over here. Lot of mini bar items. Obviously, if you use one of these items, you're gonna be charged. So I did not use any of these items. There's a couple drawers. Really nice decor. Really homey feeling. And then you do have your safe at the bottom right here. So that's pretty good right there. And then you do have a really, really big mirror to check yourself out before you head out on the strip. There is a drawer over here. Mom's scooter's kind of in the way, but there's a little drawer. But what was cool, if you look down in there, it's Lisa Vanderpump's eyes. Lots and lots of cool little things that they offer here. This is a thing of chocolates. I actually thought it was matches at first, but a thing of chocolates. And then you have your modern decor on the wall. The bed was really comfortable for me. I know it's hard for mom to get in and out, but it was really comfortable. There's a little chair over here, another little lamp. AC was super ice cold. I like it kind of colder. My mom doesn't. And then there's a coffee maker in here. So that was kind of a cool thing here too. Little trash can over here, little desk right here. Another mirror, what up? And then you do have your closet, which there is 2 robes in here. And you can't keep these. They will charge you. So you can use the robes, but you got to return them. There was some slippers that they said it was cool for us to keep. And then you do have your hangers. Basic closet in here. But right here is some of the selling point right here. We do have the Las Vegas Strip. Zoom in a little. You can see Paris, you can see Aria, and then if you look over here, you can see the Cosmopolitan, and right here, you can see the Bellagio fountains right here. So like I said, this is the 2 Queen Strip view on the 8th floor, room 810. This is a weird bathroom, but if you ever stayed at the Cromwell, you understand why. Now this could be dangerous. You can slam your fingers in that, but it's like a barn door style, kind of cool. Does have a single vanity sink. Not a huge fan, but obviously this bathroom, you don't have a lot of room. And then the shower. We both took showers. Let me give an honest review of the shower. I hate the rain style shower heads. I hate those. But on a brighter note, it does have really hot water. So if you like a nice hot shower at the Vanderpump Hotel, you got your body wash, shampoo, conditioner. It is a big shower, but like I said, I'm not a fan of the raindrop style. And then I do like the toilet away from the bathroom area. Some cool picture on the wall right there of one of Lisa Vanderpump's animals, so that's pretty cool. This was weird right here. The window actually opened. I've never seen this, where it opens up and there's no screen or anything. See? Put your hand out there. So weird. See? Like Mom said, bugs will come in. But you can shut it and lock it. So it does lock and everything like that. But let me know in the comments if you plan on staying at the new remodel of Lisa Vanderpump's hotel. Leave a comment down below if you like the videos. Hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you for the next journey.